Trump Media's move to launch a crypto ETF backed by Bitcoin and other top tokens is a significant milestone that blends financial innovation with political influence. It marks a rare convergence of traditional politics and decentralized finance, positioning crypto not just as a technological asset but as a tool for broader ideological and economic narratives. By introducing this ETF under the banner of Truth Social, the company is signaling its intent to tap into the growing appetite for accessible digital asset investment, particularly among retail investors. This step could reshape how mainstream audiences perceive crypto, pushing it further into the political and cultural spotlight. Here's a full breakdown of what's happening, why it matters, and personal insights into the bold move. What is happening? Trump Media and Technology Group TMTG has submitted an S-1 filing to the SEC to launch the Truth Social Crypto ETF. This ETF will reportedly be composed of 70% Bitcoin BTC, 15% Ethereum ETH, 8% Solana Sol, 5% Cronos Cro, 2% XRP. The fund is reportedly being created in partnership with Crypto.com and is designed to give Truth Social users and U.S. investors access to top-performing crypto assets through a regulated investment vehicle. Why this is significant? 1. Political spotlight on crypto. Donald Trump and his campaign have recently embraced a pro-crypto stance, which includes accepting crypto donations, criticizing central bank digital currencies (CBDCs), pushing for innovation and reduced regulation. This ETF reflects that strategy, offering what he positions as crypto freedom to investors and supporters. 2. Legitimizing altcoins. Most ETFs focus solely on BTC or ETH. Including Solana Sol, XRP, and Cronos Cro is a bold move. Sol is rebounding from the FTX collapse. XRP is still involved in legal disputes with the SEC. Cro is native to Crypto.com and lesser known institutionally. This blend suggests a risk-tolerant, retail-focused approach, rather than a purely conservative institutional offering. 3. Boost in market confidence. If the ETF is approved, it could attract retail and politically motivated capital, spark bullish momentum, especially in altcoins, help normalize diverse crypto ETFs in the US. Challenges and caveats. SEC approval is uncertain. The SEC remains cautious with altcoin-based ETFs, including XRP, which is still under litigation, could be a regulatory stumbling block. Political risk. Tying crypto to one political figure or party could polarize the industry or subject it to political swings depending on election outcomes. Volatility risk. This portfolio includes more volatile tokens compared to BTC-only ETFs, making it riskier for conservative or traditional investors. Bottom line, Trump Media's crypto ETF is both a political move and a strategic financial product. It aims to simplify crypto exposure for retail investors while aligning with Trump's pro-crypto narrative. However, it also introduces regulatory, political, and market risks that can't be ignored. My personal thoughts. I think Trump Media's plan to launch this crypto ETF is a really bold and interesting move. The fact that it's backed not just by Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cro, shows they're trying to go beyond the norm. It feels like they're targeting both crypto beginners and altcoin enthusiasts. What makes it more intriguing is that it's coming directly from Trump's media company. Considering how vocal he has been about supporting crypto, accepting donations in crypto, and opposing central bank digital currencies, it's clear this ETF is part of a broader political and financial strategy. But as exciting as it sounds, it raises some real questions. The SEC still has a strong stance on altcoin ETFs, especially with XRP's unresolved legal issues. Also, linking crypto too closely with one political figure might not sit well with everyone and could create unnecessary division in the industry. Still, if it gets approved, it could bring new attention and new money into crypto, especially toward coins like Solana and Cro that don't usually make it into major ETF products. Overall, I see it as a bold mix of smart business, political branding, and risky innovation. Only time will tell how the SEC and the market respond.